We are now here at the Green Forest Farm, and this is the man-made. All of the structures that you can see here are man-made, and they are good for picture taking. Although it's a combination of man-made and the real flowers, but you can see that they made some Instagrammable posts here. So this is one of the things that you can see here, and you see these are full of flowers. The flower of milk flowers, but these are the artificial ones that you can see. And here it is. Okay, so we'll go inside. So we go inside this place. This is actually almost a mansion, recreated mansion. But you can take a picture and see how the chandeliers are arranged here. Yeah, see, it's inside the Green Fantasy Forest. It's called a fantasy because you can see a very bright, and meron din very short opportunity for you to take pictures here. See? Yeah, you can also see here, and you can take your pictures, and they have a light here ready. Okay. So this is actually the first room that we get into. Kaya it's don't ever expectations. These are not real flowers, but these are very good for pictures. So we are now entering another room here. It's a fantasy room. Meron pa siyang dalawang upuan. And the princess. Yes. See, look at this, the princess. The princess setup. Okay. So this is another one. So we'll be going inside another room in this fantasy flower. So we go here. So you see this is full of dried flower. These are the dried flower that you can pictures taken here. So marami siya, no? In-arrange na siya in such a way that you can take a picture of yourself in a beautiful scenery. So fantasy nga eh. So hindi naman siya mga ribbon. These are the bright flowers, and it's good for picture taking. So most of the flowers here are actually artificial, and they are, you see, this is another. So again, we are here at the forest, Green Forest. This is another location. Ito yung mga cherry blossoms. These are the cherry blossoms. So one of the things, I think meron itong ginawang inspiration, and also, this is also a good inspiration for Nayong Kalikasan, but in our farm, we'll be using the real flowers. So we're here. You can take a picture here. So fantasy talaga, they actually made this one. Let's see. So kita mo siya. Meron talaga silang mga lights na sinet up para for picture taking, Instagrammable. Ang gagawin mo lang dito sa Fantasy Forest na to is to have your pictures taken kasi meron silang mga iba-ibang mga setup like this one, puro drums naman ang ginawa. Yan, diba? And you see this room that they have created. Actually, may gumawa na rin ng ganitong concept sa Pilipinas, even sa Alfonso Cavite, and that's the gingerbread. So, puro man-made lang din. Pero sayang lang. But we will also borrow this concept in our Nayong Kalikasan. So, this is one of the, this is the time clock, no? So, iba-iba namang clock dito that they have produced, that they can. Then, on the other side is an airplane. Kung gusto mong, ang fantasy mo maging piloto, you can use this airplane. And pagdating mo ng airplane is another fantasy that they created is this one. Diba the surfing? If you want to be a surfer, kinakailangan magpakuha ka rito sa surfing location nila with a speedboat. This is actually a real speedboat naman. Kaya kunwari, tatayo ka dyan on the speedboat. So this is nice. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na speedboat na ginawa. Picture ka with the speedboat. You can see here. And this is the alam mo talaga at kagandahan ay ang manibela. Gumagana yung manibela. You're surfing here. Again, another concept na you can have your pictures taken na you are an angel.
Advance ano pala natin?
Anniversary. Yes. Here we are. So another place for you to take your pictures. So yan, may mga books naman ng concept. So they're getting so many concepts here and they're putting a small locations just like this one, the Birds Park of the Eden. So yan, meron siya mga flowers. And also you need to see a lot of rooms and they created some rooms here. So kagandahan lang, kung malaki yung area mo, you can build this fantasy world. And watch out, we'll be building our own fantasy world for this one, like this one. ibig sabihin kasi kulang ang time. Time is gold. And you can see one of this. Kulang ang time for you to take your pictures. And really, there are so many locations for Instagrammable naman, no? You can see the Paris, different locations. Ano dyan maganda? So ito naman yung atin ng green cow o green bar. So ang concept naman nito is para kang nasa Hollywood scene. Oh boy. Yan yung mga brandies. Diba? This one for you. Yan. The green bar that you can take. Ganda rin ang concept. This is a fantasy concept. This is so nice. The boy here. So marami talagang pwedeng gawin dito. Puro Instagrammable ang ginawa nila. The scene, you can create, you can even make a mini movie here.